Hello guys, so how Mr. Tracy Kohuch made his first sale on the internet, that is of $470. This is, by the way, complete profit. This is the affiliate program, ClickBank. Anyone can join for free, that I'm going to talk to you about as well. And you make a sale for a lot of products out there. They are high commission products and you get the money. But the problem is many of the people try to find the products, they try to do the sale on their own terms. They try to inbox people, they try to write it in the forums, many of the things that they try to do, but that doesn't bring the sale. Sale is normally brought by the process that actually works on the internet, which is the grooming first. The reason this guy was able to make $470 first sale, and before that he was not able to succeed, Tracy, he used this system, affiliate system, that brings the sale. Now, what is this affiliate system? Before telling you about this affiliate system that you can use for your own business, you can see a countless number of people who have already got their first sale, second sale. I mean, this is how they got started because they were not following the process that works initially. That is the reason they were not getting the results. Now, these are the small results, $21. Uh, but then the first sale, breaking that benchmark is important. But then there are experts as well who have mastered. Once you slowly and steadily master the process and then drive traffic in huge, in bulk, traffic means number of people going through the process that you have built out, you are going to get this kind of result, like one day $2,750, $1,500. I mean, all these things, typical results, people actually get it. But a lot of people, this benchmark is broken. How do I make money online? How do I consistently generate money online? This is what, like subscribers, you need to have the subscribers, then email sequences. This is how the process simply works. You need to have a great funnel which actually captures the emails of the people. I mean, people are ready to give their emails, and then further nurturing happens via automatic emails that you have set up. So you need to set up the autoresponder, you need to set up the funnel. Every multi-millionaire on the internet, every millionaire, every marketer on the internet, they do the same thing because sale cannot happen in the first go. But the point is, you are not a multi-millionaire, you are not a marketer. How do you generate sales? This is where this system comes in. So this system, by the way, the link I've placed down below in the video description. You click on that. First, you go and see how the system works, and then they are giving the trial for the system so that you have ready to use fun. I mean, everything it is supposed to be set up for you in 12 minutes because they have given this done for you sort of a thing. 80 days of email autoresponder sequences, so that all you have to do is just drive the traffic and the sale will be happening by the grooming process. But what do you get inside? Let me just show you. Like after you get their account, basically the first one is like the 2 minutes process, what they have already built for you, free affiliate account, and then autoresponder, as I said, 80 days of email. I mean, 80 days of email, that is something. I mean, and that too written by a professional. Either you hire a big guy, but these people are giving it. Anyways, so then setting up the autorespond and then the funnel. So this is how the process goes. People come into your funnel, they give the email address, and then automatically system starts sending them email day one, day two, day three, and then there is a sale on the affiliate link that you will be providing. The moment that you get sale, you will be getting these typical results that people are consistently having over and over. And then the more people you drive through your funnel, eventually the traffic is also discussed over here, and the more people you drive to your funnel, the more profit that you make, and slowly and steadily you master the process. So that's how people are making here and there, and I wish all of you guys all the best. Definitely do check out, like before joining this thing that I'm talking about, which will set up your system, and today itself you'll be driving the traffic in a while. You can first of all watch the video, click the link down below in the video description, watch the video, how the process works. It is going to explain to you, and then you can start the trial, and definitely it is going to help you, I'm pretty sure. So I hope that you found the video helpful. If you did, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with more videos like this, more systems like this, which works online, everything related with online and your success. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Bye bye.